get it rockin'. You know she do anything for the fam, ain't no options. She one of a kind, so really it ain't no copies. You know how we rockin', once we start we never stoppin'. How we rockin', you know we rock solid. Yeah, you know we rock solid. Don't skip it. It's that rock just living. If she go live, don't miss it. Don't pause, don't skip it. You're not tuned in the rock just living.
You think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, we're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, light me up, I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Everybody else got it going on. 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 You make me oh, hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Hey, could be us, but love the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Boy, can't you talk to me? It's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, with me something, something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, light me up, I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me
my lips. Good morning, y'all. I'm not trying to be rude, but I'm leaving out for work. And I was turning the lights off. And then it gets dark. So good morning, y'all. Good morning, Rock Solid Gang. How y'all doing? It's a view. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. And my first day back at work. I'm headed out. Ooh, we need to extend this driveway because this squeezing in the car every morning ain't it. Hold on, y'all. Get my little morning routine in, y'all. Lordy, it's hot because I'm moving around. Come on, little. The piece of hair want to drop. Stay up. It's L1. All right, this out. Yo, did I say good morning? So y'all, like I said, this is my first day back at work. I'm a little discombobulated, y'all, but I'm getting it together. It feels good though, to get back into the swing of things. I have to make sure I have my glasses. I do. Gloss on my lips, some Victoria's Secret Get Glossed. I don't know which one this is. Y'all, I don't have my glasses on, so I cannot see. Make sure our lips. Get these little dry lips together, y'all. All right, and away we go. I have very dark tint on my windows, so sometimes I gotta put them down to actually see where I'm going, especially at night. It's dark outside and my tint's dark, but that little breeze feels good. A lot of things haven't opened now. I really want me a cup. Oh my goodness, see that, Raquel? I forgot my lunch. I'm right here. But I'm not going back because I actually have to fix the lunch. And that's gonna put me behind. And there you have it. That ain't nothing new, y'all. But forget my lunch. I need to do it at night. I know. Anyway, I would love to give me a cup of coffee from McDonald's, y'all, but McDonald's haven't been open in my area since Ida. And I'm going to see right now, is it open? Like when I get in the area, I just look and see. If it's not, I'm not mad. I completely understand. People still trying to get, you know, stuff. Things are not all the way normal, y'all. Walmart closing at 4 p.m. You know that's not normal. As I showed y'all in my vlog from yesterday, a lot of the stores had to throw away meat, so there's not a lot of meat and milk and dairy stuff available because, you know, once they lost electricity, they probably, you know, they had to get rid of that stuff. So we won't have that stuff, I guess, until shipments start coming in. But we just got what we could, you know. And because of what happened and how the power went off, I told my husband, I said, we're gonna stop buying a whole lot of meat at this time of the year, you know, too much meat at one time, because we're going to go through this. We're going to have power outages. If we have some bad wind, some bad rain, the lights go out. So, you know, buy a few things, maybe a week or two worth of meat at a time, you know, when we go to the grocery store during hurricane season. Because I hate throwing good food away. I can't tell. Now the lights are on, the menu's lit up, but I can't tell. I don't see not one car, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep going. Yeah, a lot of things are still, you can tell they haven't even opened. A lot of trees and stuff still, down trees and branches and stuff, they're moved out of the road, but they're stacked like on the side of the road, so that stuff has to be picked up. We finally got trash picked up. Oh Lord, my days are all jammed in together. Today is Thursday. I don't know, I think Wednesday, Tuesday. I think we got trash pickup Tuesday. And that was the first pickup since that Sunday night when the storm hit. So imagine all the trouble. We were actually taking our trash, riding out and finding dumpsters to put it in. You know, just to get rid of it. Like, who wants to have a whole lot of trash sitting around? So that was something else that we had to do. But like this gas station's way. But yeah, so things are slowly, I guess stores, once people get back, the main problem is probably that the workers or the employees for the store are still relocated, so they can't open without the staff, you know. So maybe they have enough staff to cover a certain part of the day, and then they have to close because they don't have a relief staff or whatever. I don't know, that's just my assumption. Y'all, I lost power again last night. You know I was mad. So yesterday my son called me, his power went out again after being on for, I don't know, like 3 days or something like that. He was mad, so he was venting to me. He was on another phone with Entergy. He was trying to see what was going on. So I'm trying to calm him down. Like, Mosquito got in here with me. Like, son, you know, it's gonna come on. Just, they still working, blah, blah, blah. My stuff went off last night. I was like, really? And it caught me totally off guard. I mean, it was pitch black. Cora was at work. It's just me. I forget I have a, so this is the only McDonald's open, y'all. The line is to the street. I wish I would have flipped the camera to show y'all. The line is to the street, I guess, because that's the only McDonald's open in the area. I don't have time to wait on that. So we do have a Keurig at work. I'll just fix me some coffee at work. I just like McDonald's coffee. But I just won't have it today. But yeah, mine went off, but it didn't go off long. It went off, it was less than an hour, I think. And then it came back on. But it's so frustrating, you know, because I was like, really? And you didn't, you know, even though it came on in an hour, I didn't know it was going to come back on in an hour. But it did. So y'all, I ain't going to keep killing y'all with the eye of the conversation. I'm just, I mean, things are still happening. So I'm just, you know, I'm just talking about it, y'all. So, but on my way to work, y'all, I'm going to vlog the rest of my day. Don't know what I'm gonna do for lunch because, like I just said, I forgot it. I forgot to make it. I wanted to bring me some of that good old spaghetti that I cooked yesterday, but I didn't. So lunch might be a struggle because I could just do some research on social media and find out what's open, where I could get food from, I guess. I don't know. I don't know if there's going to be a full day of work or what. So I'm just finding out as I go along. Traffic not bad, that's for sure. not bad. So y'all, I'm on my little route, making it into work. I'm gonna get off of here because I'm going to say my morning prayers. It's too early to touch bases with Kendall. I need to call her when I think she's up. Yeah, that's it for now, y'all. I will see y'all at lunchtime. I'm gonna have lunch with y'all today. Show y'all what I find. All right. See y'all in a little while. So I made it to work, y'all, and I'm just gonna make my own coffee in a carrot. Ooh, I'm messing it all up. And that's what it is. Yo, everybody not back yet. It's so quiet. So far, I've only seen one coworker. So it's me and one other person that I've seen. Most of the time, people have their office doors closed. Let me show y'all. So y'all fix me some decaf. They have some other little choices up there, but I just want to hit me some regular old decaf today. Ain't nobody here, y'all. Well, that I can tell, because it's always quiet up here. But I'm just gonna do what I gotta do. Well, whatever I can do. About to check my internet connection and all that good stuff. My phones, make sure everything working. See what I can do. My allergies kicking in now, y'all. I don't know what it is. Is it this building or what? But I can feel it about to start. Like I know when it's about to flare up. And I did bring some Kleenex out the car because I'm gonna need them. I feel some sneezing coming on, y'all. That's good. That is good. My this is Splendor. I like Equal. When I went to buy some stuff to keep in my office, they didn't have Equal, so I just bought the Splendor. And I just like the regular. Well, this coffee meat. Regular. I don't really care for like the French vanilla and all that stuff. I just like the regular flavor for my coffee. I think I got this cup from Walmart. I got this cup from Walmart. I think it was 99 cents. I think it was just $1. I like it. It has the little rubber piece, you know, to protect your hand from the heat. It's a real nice, sturdy. It works. The top screws on. No leaks. I like the cup. Some y'all like my Mary's candle. Y'all, this candle makes a lot of soot. But I like the way it smells, so I use it. All right, y'all, so I got my coffee. I'm thinking about going to see if I find something to eat now for breakfast. If I leave and go find breakfast, I'm not going to do lunch. I'm just going to skip lunch and to eat my spaghetti tonight for dinner. So I'm thinking about going to see what I can find for breakfast before I get started, because I am hungry. So I don't know. I'm going to think about it in a minute. If I leave for breakfast instead of lunch, which is what I'm probably gonna do, I'll call y'all back. So I'll let y'all know. Hey y'all. So I'm taking me I'm taking my lunch break. brunch break because it's like right between breakfast and lunch, so it's gonna be an early lunch. But I'm hungry, y'all. Why my thing not automatic? What's going on with my alarm? Oh, let me unplug this thing. I don't know why I'm lifting this little piece of hip with my mask and these headphones and all that. So, y'all, I'm not sure about what's open, but I'm gonna go see. I would like to have Chick-fil-A, but come here, y'all. I would like to have Chick-fil-A, but I'm not sure if I'm going to see if Chick-fil-A open. I'm going to see if they open. Because I can order from my app and just pick up. Really, I could check the app before I go all the way over there in that area. That's what I'm going to do, y'all. Give me a minute. Let me check the app to see if the location is open where I'm going. That way I can place my order on the app, and when I get there, it'll be done. That'll save me some time, so I'll call y'all right back.
Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on.
Hey, Rock Solid Gang. So I'm home from work, y'all. And I've been having a terrible headache, y'all. I hope it's not TMI, but, you know, it's that time of the month. And every time it's that time of the month, beforehand, I get a terrible, terrible headache, which lets me know that it's coming. And then once it gets here, the headache just intensifies. And then I'm like a river. So, if you know what I mean. So, so your girl is going through it, y'all. But, I'm all right. I'm drinking me some hot tea. To soothe my cramps. I took something for my headache, and I have a heating pad that I'm actually going to put on my abdomen, y'all. So I'm just trying to get some relief. I'm relaxing right now. Just chilling after work, y'all. Laying in the bed. I haven't turned the TV on yet. I was on YouTube looking at some interior design videos. So I could get some things started in my house. So I'm just laying down, scrolling and relaxing. So I'll call you back later, y'all. I don't know what I'm eating for dinner because I actually ended up eating some of the spaghetti. I came home for lunch and ate some of the spaghetti, so I don't want that again. I really wanted me a good salad, but I don't have what I need to make a salad. I'm not going to the store because every store you go to, you got to stand in line right now. So to get in the store. So if I'm hungry, when I get up later, I'm probably going to just fix me like some sauteed vegetables or something like that. Just something light to put on my stomach. I'm trying to change my eating habits anyway a little bit. I had spaghetti, so I'm trying to do some vegetables or something. I don't know. But yeah, y'all, I'm just relaxing, y'all. Just enjoying me some hot tea. And scrolling on my laptop. So I'll talk to y'all later. So y'all, I'm back out. Because I think I do want that salad. So I'm going to try Chick-fil-A. Tried on my way home, and the line was just ridiculously long, and I was not willing to sit in it, but I'm coming to see if it went down any. It may have gotten longer because now people getting off work, but it's 5:30 here, so I don't know. I'll see. Oh Lordy, I may have to just sit there and look lie, it's not in the street. Now, it was in the street when I came before. It's not in the street. But I see cars continuously turning in there. I'm just going to go ahead on and wait. Look at them. And jumped in front of me. So now, y'all, as I pull up, like 6 cars all drove up at the same time. And I'm behind all those cars. But I'm going to go ahead on. Oh, I'm going to wait it out. Because anywhere I go, it's a line. If I go to Rouse's, that's a grocery, to get salad, stuff to make a salad, I have to stand in line to get in there. If I go to Walmart, I have to stand in line. So I'm just going to sit in this Chick-fil-A line and get my salad. And grab something for my husband. So yeah, y'all, I'm not going to sit on here because I'm just in the Chick-fil-A line. Actually, I'm going to get on my app and order. And I could just drive straight through to the window. I ain't even got to stop and order with the attendants. So that's what I'm about to do, y'all. I'm going to get off of here and order my food. So, y'all, in the long Chick-fil-A line to get me a salad. All right, y'all. I will call y'all back when I get home. Quick update, y'all. Chick-fil-A got a limited menu. No fries, no drinks, no salads. So I left there. I went to check McDonald's just to see, you know, if they were open. They were open. They shut it down. Probably sold out of a lot of stuff. Now, y'all, I'm at Dairy Queen. And I'm not a Dairy Queen girl. But I'm trying to find something. So I'm looking at the menu. My husband said just give him a bacon cheeseburger meal. When I get close enough to look at the menu, I'm going to try to find something on there I like just to get through the day. So that's what's going on, y'all. Just trying to find dinner. So I'll be back. Hey, y'all. So we ended up with Dairy Queen. Like I said, I got me some sweet tea with it. I got my husband got a cheeseburger meal, a bacon cheeseburger meal, and I got some chicken strips. It's a basic chicken strip meal, y'all. I ordered ranch with it, but I had some well, that's the cold one. I had some leftover sweet heat from the last time I went to Popeyes, so I'm gonna use my sweet heat with it. I'm gonna be honest, it doesn't look that appetizing, but it's something. Put my big girl panties on and go to Rouse's tomorrow, stand in line, go in the store and get what I want to make my salad, because I want a salad and I'm not gonna be satisfied until I do it, until I get one. So that's something on my agenda to do for tomorrow. So I'm gonna eat this good old Dairy Queen, y'all. Ooh, this headache is coming and going. Come and go, come and go. And right now it's coming. So, I mean, that chicken strip's not that bad, y'all. I can eat them. I mean, ain't nothing to go crazy about. It's the basic chicken strips. If you want some more fries, but you can have my fries. You know I don't want no fries like that.
You know what I got?
The bread, nah. You want bread? Y'all, the bread is supposed to be toast, but it's soft. It's not crispy or nothing. I always say, it is what it is. The sweet tea good. And the sweet heat sauce is good. nuggets are average. I got 4 of them. The fries are not even hot, y'all. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all how I ended my Monday. What I ate for dinner, which
Today is Thursday, baby.
Oh, Lord have mercy. So you know, I need to go lay down somewhere, y'all. I said Monday. Today is Thursday. And after I eat this, I'm gonna get my behind in the tub, and I'm gonna lay down because that's what I need to do. So, y'all, thank y'all for watching my vlog. So if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and check out some of my old videos. And to my rock solid gang, don't forget to like this video. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.